This is a non-Java country-type CNC drilling and tapping machine. The effective processing job of x-axis 4 meter, y-axis 1 meter, and z-axis 200 mm. Suitable for drilling, tapping, mini temporary of large-scale sheet metal and face structure components. The spindle is equipped with a high rigidity, high power BB30 or BT40 mechanical spindle imported from Taiwan, ensure high position accuracy and precision. It features a turnkey servo mechanical spindle. It can process anytime, anywhere, extremely intelligent and automated processing. It adopts a non-Java beam structure design with the spindle moving along the XYZ axis, while the machine base and work table remain stationary. The entire machine undergoes pre-deformation and temporary treatment. High-precision large-scale CNC machining depends and many precision splitting and assembly of the galleries ensure high precision retention. The selected machining CNC system supports multiple programming methods and also supports direct import of CAD drawings to automatically generate processing programs. Without the need for professional programmers, the system can store tons of software or programs, which saving labor costs effectively. We have a machining capacity between M3 to M60, and various spindle motor models can be selected to meet specific machining requirements. Before the machine leaves the factory, it is tested for accuracy and compensated it by a API laser interferometer to keep the full machine accuracy within 0.02 mm. For more model introduction, follow my video account to know more.